The AG6D-22 brings the power of corded to the convenience of cordless. Now, while power is important, and this is a powerful grinder, so is safety. And safety is becoming more and more of a priority on job sites. So with that being said, the AG6D comes with two critical safety features that benefit workers on a job site. Not only does it not compromise on the power of the tool, but it also ensures that your workers stay productive. Those two features are 3D ATC and SENS Tech. Let's start with 3D ATC, or in other words, three-dimensional active torque control. All this means is that if the tool senses that you move suddenly out of your workspace in an uncontrolled manner, the tool will indeed stop working automatically without you having to turn the tool off. So if you move through your material very quickly as you cut it, or if you accidentally slip off of your grinding material while you're cutting, the tool automatically shuts off, sensing that there might be some uncontrolled action taking place. Let me show you how this works by grinding on this number 8 rebar. Notice at both those times, the side switch actually stayed on. I'll go ahead and turn it off now. Both times I slipped off my surface. Clearly it was in an unnatural, uncontrolled kind of a manner, and the tool sensed that I was no longer working in my workspace and it shut off. This is a major safety benefit because you are far less likely to twist an arm, an elbow, or a shoulder, and of course far less likely to also cut yourself or anything around you. Now let's move on to SENS Tech. Essentially, SENS Tech is simply a touch-activated dead man switch. As the name suggests, it's a technology that senses whether or not somebody's actually gripping the tool while it's being used. If the user is not gripping the tool body, even when it's turned on, the tool will indeed shut off. And I like to suggest that essentially, the AG6D gives you the convenience of a side switch, but the safety of a dead man. To demonstrate this, let me just hold the tool in front of me, turn the tool on, and while it's in the on position, I'll take my hand off. Notice that even when I had to reapply my hand, the tool doesn't start automatically. I have to turn the tool off, and then I can turn the tool on again for it to begin. It's a very safe feature, and again, it's preventing injury. Now, two things to be aware of when it comes to SENS Tech. Firstly, yes, SENS Tech will work even with the thickest of gloves, and I can show that here with this heavy rubber fire-rated glove. Let's see if SENS Tech will still operate when I grip it with this glove. SENS Tech sometimes might feel like it's not working. And to demonstrate that, this usually happens when a battery is being put in for the first time. So I'll take this tool, remove the battery, and simulate picking it up and putting a battery in for the first time. Pick it up by the handle, put a battery in, and now let me attempt to turn it on. Notice, even with the side switch turned on, it's obviously not operating. This is simply because sometimes the sensors need to be recalibrated or reset. To do so, just make sure the tool is in the off position, release your grip very quickly, and the tool should operate just fine. Again, this usually happens when you put a battery in for the first time. Just make sure you release the grip temporarily, but whenever you notice that the tool seems to not be working, simply turn the tool off, release your grip very briefly, and it should work just fine. I hope you enjoy these safety features, and thank you for watching.